Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's still Wednesday, October 28th, and our sell-off, our little gap down, and that gap fill that we saw this morning tried to fight and broke almost instantly the 106 mark that we were watching. Made a swing low at the 105.50 area, and then used that support as being resistance now. So the 106 mark doing what it should have done. We also have a break at the 105.65 area right through here, and that has now acted as resistance on the way back up. Again, whenever you get a big bar like this, even intraday, that can be troublesome on the way back up. We have a higher swing low just now, so a symmetrical triangle forming in this consolidation on its low. And if you look at where we're bouncing right now at this 105.40 area, makes a lot of sense, because we are right at the 50 MA that we had marked from before. So let me remove this trend line so we can see a little bit better. So right here is where we're stalling at the moment. That's a pretty good size move down. Again, increasing volume on the sell-off portends to more selling. And again, the next logical place of support on the daily chart was this 50 MA. Since we broke this nice gap fill back here. Next support after that, again, I would say the 105 even mark, coinciding with the beginning of this gap through here. So if we can get a higher swing low from here, that on a higher time frame, that'll still be a higher swing low, just a little bit lower than it would have been if it had happened before, of course. And that will help me measure the sentiment read of this whole broad market, the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY, and the broad markets as well. So let's take a look at the market internals and see what's going on here. So again, corroboration of the sell-off. Just a little bit of a bull flag in the VIX. All right, let's take a look at what we're running up into. This gap through here, so that's why we're stalling at the moment, coinciding with that. That's the gap also back here on a larger time frame, the daily. So this is a big move back up in the VIX. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars in a row. Every one of them confirming 1, 2, 3, 4 bars in a row, even while this was in the consolidation. So that was one thing that was a little bit of a eye-catching feature for me. The TRINQ right there is at 1.2, so bearish but not overly bearish. And the TRINQ at 2.06. So there's a significant amount of volume, 2 to 1, flowing into stocks on the decline. And so there is a bit of a divergence between, again, the TRINQ and the TRIN, but they're both in bearish territory. And the VIX, of course, being bearish as well. So be careful, again, how you sell short now into 4 bars down a row on a daily chart, into support at the 50 MA. If you've missed that move, then I'd be very careful here. I'm speaking to myself, and look for where we're going to get a swing low. If we fall out of bed here after chopping sideways for a while, then I'll look for those next logical spots of support that we talked about a bit ago. Good stuff, everybody. Hope you're having a great trading day so far, and look forward to the D7's video at the close.